Hello guys, welcome back to our channel The Designer Trio. Thank you guys for subscribing to our channel. Our channel deals with interior designing related content which helps you people to design your house on your own and know your interesting facts and DIYs. You can find some more information about us by clicking the link given below in description. Coming back to our today's video, you will know about how to design a TV wall unit on your own. Wall unit can be multi-purposed, that can be used for storage and display purpose along with the TV. It is very important for one to know the design requirements of wall unit to make it look more attractive and also make people comfortable while watching the TV. The wall unit should always be designed opposite to seating like chairs, sofas, etc. The distance between the seating and wall unit in the case of TV present in it should be according to the size of TV as you see in the video. Regarding the distance that should be maintained between the TV and seating, no electronic salesperson can guide you this, but being a designer, we would like to suggest you. You need to look comfortable, and for this, the center part of the screen should be approximately at the level of human eye. So, the height of the TV on the wall is determined around 4 feet from the ground. So, by following these tips, you can easily plan your wall unit with storage spaces and TV accordingly as shown in this video. Here are some best ideas that you can use while you plan a wall unit at your home. Also, to design the wall behind the TV, you can find some ideas in our previous video. If you watch it, the link will be given in the description below. We think this video is useful to you guys, and if you like our video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button and share it to your friends. Stay tuned to our channel The Designer Trio to get more interesting videos and a new video on every Sunday. Bye bye guys.